Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making vegetarian Arook. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients you will need for the vegetarian Arook. You will need 4 yellow potatoes, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 bunch of spring onions that I've just sliced, half a cup of parsley that I've just chopped, half a cup of grated carrot, 1/4 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of paprika, and some light olive oil for frying. And this is how your vegetarian Arook should look like. Serve it with some salad and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. Don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking, everyone!